My name is Juan Pedraza. I'm Design Director at Conran Design Group. Today is a very exciting day for everyone at Conran Design Group, and myself especially, because I've been leading the design and development of the Sottini brand, working with a team from Conran Design Group and closely aligned with the Sottini team as well. And it's a very exciting day today because we've been working on the repositioning of Sottini as a brand for the last 10 to 12 months. So to see everything coming together today at 100% show is fantastic. We met with the team at Sottini end of last year, and the brief was very much looking at the brand where it stood at the time and create a unique new positioning and a clear identity for the brand. At the time, the perception of the brand was very mixed. There wasn't a clear understanding of what the brand stood for, and there was a real need to refresh the brand, to create a real focus for what the brand stood for and establish a new emotional connection with the audiences. And that's what we've been working quite hard over the last 12 months to achieve, and time will tell whether we've done it or not, actually. But as I said, it's an exciting day today to see everything coming together. Our starting point on a project like this is always the same one, is to try to gain as much as an understanding of the brand that we are working with, in this case Sottini, as well as the landscape, the competitor landscape, and try to understand how best to position the brand in a unique way in this environment. So our starting point is always research. We do a lot of research in regards to the marketplace to try to understand their competitors as well as we can, and then try to get to the bottom of what the essence of the brand is, in this case Sottini. So we do interviews with internal stakeholders, just to try to get to the bottom of it, to what is the real DNA of the brand. We are talking to different audiences, and understanding these audiences is obviously key as well, understanding what their needs are. So we're talking to specifiers, we're talking to the architects, we're talking to the interior designers, and they are very specific target audience. So we did a series of interviews to try to understand their unique needs, actually, in regards to the products that they want to bring their vision to life. Then we got the retailers as well, a very different audience that needed to be targeted and in a different way because their needs are different. And then ultimately it's understanding the end consumer as well, who will be interested, or who could be interested in the Sottini products, and trying to understand what they want out of a brand, and then trying to build an identity and a range of products ultimately that fills those needs. So you have to find the one common denominator that will be true to the brand and that will be able to be communicated to all those target audiences and be meaningful to all of them. And I think that's the important thing. So it's always about honesty and be truthful to the unique characteristics of the brand. In this case, with Sottini, was very much about that attention to detail, that love for craft and creativity, and that's why the whole brand is built around showcasing the product and not trying to dress it up with any accessories. It doesn't need accessories, and I think everyone loves a beautiful, well-designed, well-crafted product. So it's always been that kind of understated confidence that the brand has got that is that selling point, that unique element that can target all the different audiences.
My name's Anna Burns. I'm the marketing director at Ideal Standard. The stand is actually quite a large stand for 100% design because it's not one of those shows like a big trade show where you would put lots and lots of product on. So what we tried to do today is really take some of the key pieces from the ranges and really showcase them. So we have some key ceramic pieces, some key ceramic basins. We also have our furniture ranges on the stand today, and one of our hero baths. So one of our key freestanding baths that we believe is going to be really popular. Well, I mean, all of them are really hero products. We have a beautiful range of taps here that we're selling called Melito. We also have a totem, which is Ombrone over there, which is a beautiful ceramic whole piece. And then we have Sterone, which is a lovely puddle basin. So those are some of the key products that we have on today. Well, we're really looking for interior designers, we're looking for architects, specifiers, house builders who are looking for something a little bit different, and of course retailers. One of the beauties of Sottini is it's been in the market for a while. There's a lot of affection for Sottini, and what we've done is really breathe new life into it with new products, a new brand proposition, and we're really trying to get those retailers to come and start getting excited about Sottini again.